Need a liver detox? Dry fasting is here. Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving deep into the fascinating world of dry fasting, specifically the 3-day dry fast for liver detox. Now, dry fasting means no food and no water. Sounds intense, right? But stick with me because the potential benefits are pretty incredible. First things first, why the liver? The liver is a powerhouse organ, playing a vital role in detoxifying our bodies. It filters out all the nasty toxins we encounter daily. But sometimes even the liver needs a break and a bit of a reboot. Enter dry fasting. A clinical study published in the Journal of Translational Medicine found that fasting can indeed trigger autophagy. That's the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating newer, healthier ones. Imagine giving your liver a chance to reset and rejuvenate. During a 3-day dry fast, the body goes into a state of ketosis. This means it starts burning fat for fuel instead of relying on glucose. And guess what? This process releases fewer toxins, making it easier for the liver to do its job. But there's more. Another study in the Journal of Clinical Investigation showed that fasting can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. These are two major culprits behind liver damage. So by taking a break from food and water, you might actually be giving your liver a much-needed vacation. Now I know what you're thinking, 3 days without water? Isn't that dangerous? It's crucial to approach dry fasting with caution. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen. And if you're new to fasting, you might want to start with shorter periods before jumping into a 3-day fast. Perhaps 16HR/8HR or 20HR/4HR to start. So, what can you expect during a 3-day dry fast? Day 1, you might feel a bit hungry and thirsty, but this usually passes as your body adapts. By day 2, you could experience increased mental clarity and focus. And day 3, you might feel a deep sense of rest and rejuvenation. After the fast, it's essential to rehydrate and reintroduce food slowly. Start with water, then move to broths and light foods. This helps your body adjust and optimizes the benefits of the detox. Remember, dry fasting isn't for everyone. Listen to your body and prioritize your health. But if done correctly, a 3-day dry fast can be a powerful tool for liver detox and overall well-being. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. And as always, stay healthy, stay focused, and stay happy. Visit Thrive Market, link below for you bone broth and dietary needs. Brought to you by Forager and Company.